Guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some mango guava baked chicken. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got some leg and thigh that I already washed and clean, skin on. You can always remove the skin. So these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of barbecue seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Okay, but if you don't have all this seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have. Okay, yes. So firstly, I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my chicken just to keep them nice and moist. Then I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning, just a bit of jerk seasoning, not a lot. Okay, at least half teaspoon. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together. Notice I haven't added no salt, because sometimes most of these seasoning have so much salt, so I don't really add salt to my meat, or sometimes to my food, because the seasoning full of so much salt. So make sure it is nicely blend like so. And I'm just gonna add, not all of it, but I'm just gonna add most of it to my chicken. I'm gonna leave back this amount for my sauce. Okay, and I'm gonna also add some dark soya sauce, at least 2 tablespoons, just to give it some color. Then I'm just gonna take my nice clean hands and you just want to massage it, all those chicken with all those seasoning. Okay, make sure that all the chicken is all coated with the seasoning. You can always use a gloves, guys. As I always said, use a gloves. And you can leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour or so. Okay, look at that, nicely seasoning, look amazing. So that's done. So here I have my baking tray, guys, and to my baking tray what I did, I just add some foil paper. So now I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my foil. Then I'm just gonna take my brush and just brush it on like so. Then I'm just gonna place my chicken. Make sure it is all over. Make sure you spread it all out, okay? And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 40 minutes, okay? And 150 degrees Celsius. And I'm not gonna cover it. I'm just gonna leave it as it is. Then I'm just gonna take some olive oil and just sprinkle it on top like so. So in the oven it goes. Stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my chicken from the oven and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is nice and brown, and that's exactly how you want it. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and 150 degrees Celsius. So now I'm gonna make my sauce, guys. So first I'm gonna add my ketchup, and I'm using at least half cup of ketchup, okay? Then I'm gonna add my mango juice, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of mango juice, okay? Then you just wanna mix it, and this is my guava juice, and I'm just gonna add at least half cup, yes. Then I'm just gonna add all my remaining seasoning. And you just want to make sure, guys, that everything is all combined, okay? I'm gonna add some more ketchup, because you know the ketchup give it some color, and it also gonna thicken up your gravy. Yes. I'm telling you, this sauce right here is gonna be super delicious. Normally I would add some sugar, but I'm not gonna add no sugar at this moment, because you know the guava juice already sweet and the mango juice, so I don't really need no no sugar. It doesn't have to be all dissolved, because you know when you go into the pot, it's gonna, you know, cook out, okay? So that's done. So here I have my pot here on my stove, guys, and my stove is on a low to medium heat, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my time and add my sauce, and I'm just gonna leave it for at least 4 minutes, okay? Because you want it to thicken up and come to a boil. I'm not gonna cover my pot, I'm just gonna leave it uncovered. So now you can turn your stove up a bit more, because you want it to, you know, come to a boil. Yes. So my sauce has come to a boil, guys, and it is nice and thick, and that's exactly how you want it. That's perfect. I'm just gonna turn my stove off. So I just removed my chicken from the oven, and guys, what I'm doing, I'm just pouring all that sauce all over on my chicken, and I'm telling you guys, it's looking super delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Just make sure that all the chicken is all coated in that sauce, okay? So when my chicken is all coated, Now I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 5 minutes. Okay, yes. So now that my chicken has flipped over, now guys, before I put it back in my oven, I'm just gonna pour some of that delicious sauce all over on my chicken, and as I said, put it in the oven just for 5 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, okay, so you can receive more delicious videos like these. Yes. So I just removed my chicken from the oven and this is what it look like. I'm telling you, just look at it. It is absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. Your family, your friend, everyone is gonna enjoy it. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So it is all plated up and this is what it look like. You can serve it with some white rice, some rice and peas, some salad, whatever you preferred. I'm just wiping the plate just a bit and just sprinkle some parsley on top. It is totally optional. Then I'm gonna taste it for you guys and tell you what it's like. Okay, yes, I mean, just oh my goodness, honestly, it look amazing guys, super delicious. So now I'm just gonna taste some and I'm telling you guys, it is super delicious. This recipe right here is a must try. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.